Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. Later that we put the power 3 for the both sides to cancel about the cubic root. Next, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. First, the derivative of u to the power of 3, we have 3u squared du. First, the derivative of number 5, this is about the constant. First, the derivative of e to the power of 3s, we have 3e to the power of 3s ds. Next, because we don't have negative number 4 and number 3 in here, so we need to divide both sides by negative number 12. Next, this one we change by u. E to the power of 3s ds we change by this one. So I will put negative 1 over 4 go outside. This one we have u to the power of 3. The integration of this one, we have u to the power of 4 over 4, and I will put about c. So we have 4 and number 4, we have 1 over 16. About u, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.